Hey guys, welcome to BONOSS Wheel Spacers unofficial channel. I'm Grace. In this video, let's see how to install wheel spacers on your Nissan Patrol. Let's go. As long as you have the jack and torque wrench, you will be able to install them by yourself, according to the installation steps. No need to spend money to install them outside. Wheel spacers have a direct relationship with wheel offset. If you intend to add 1.5-inch wheel spacers, bolt-on ones are much safer. The spacer bolts directly to your hub and then the wheel is secured directly to your spacer. Both spacer and the wheel are held on with a full stud engagement, instead of having half the stud taken up with spacer. This saves the budget of buying a set of extending wheel bolts, ensuring they are properly torqued because this provides much less chance of wheels falling off. The BONOSS wheel stud and lug nut passed the SGS and TUV test report. The matching lug nut use 40 chrome material by continuously forging process. They have achieved ISO standard grade 10. The matching wheel stud use SCM440 steel material, and it has good ductility and high temperature strength resistance, structural stability, no harmful elements, few surface defects, and more advantages. Besides, it has achieved ISO standard grade 12.9. Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.